Join me as I challenge myself to eat only foods that naturally heal my body for an entire week and see how it affects my health. We've all heard the saying, "You're what you eat," but have you ever stopped to think about how the food you put into your body can actually help heal it? The connection between diet and health is undeniable, and it's amazing how many of us overlook the power of food to repair and restore our bodies. Many of us are dealing with common health issues like inflammation, digestive problems, and fatigue, and often the first thing we reach for is medication. But what if I told you that there are natural solutions that can help alleviate these problems without the side effects? For instance, did you know that many people are turning to natural remedies to boost their immune system and reduce stress, rather than relying on pharmaceuticals? The thing is, medication only masks the symptoms, it doesn't address the root cause of the problem. And that's where food comes in. By incorporating specific foods into our diet, we can start to heal our bodies from the inside out. But, let's face it, with so many health issues out there, it can be hard to know where to start. We've all been there, struggling to get out of bed in the morning, or feeling bloated and sluggish after meals. So, let's talk about some of these healing foods. Take turmeric, for example. This spice has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and swelling. Or ginger, which has natural digestive benefits that can ease nausea and bloating. And then there's leafy greens like kale and spinach, which are packed with antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage. Berries like blueberries and raspberries are also superfoods that can help combat oxidative stress. One food that I want to highlight in particular is garlic. This humble bulb has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and for good reason. Not only can it help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, but it also has antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help boost the immune system. I've heard so many amazing stories from people who have incorporated garlic into their diet and seen significant improvements in their health. For example, I've heard of people who have used garlic to help alleviate cold and flu symptoms, and even to reduce inflammation in their joints. Incorporating these foods into your diet can have a profound impact on your health. By making a few simple changes, you can start to feel the benefits for yourself. And, it's not just about adding one or two foods, it's about making a lifestyle change that can lead to lasting results. So, to recap, we've talked about some amazing foods that have natural healing properties. From turmeric and ginger, to leafy greens and garlic, there are so many delicious and nutritious options to choose from. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can start to take control of your health and well-being. If you're passionate about healthy eating, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below about your favorite healing foods and how they have helped you. And, if you're looking for more tips on how to eat your way to better health, be sure to check out my other video on healthy eating tips.